Now, today my title is about, is it net tangible asset is very important, in terms of stock investment. Okay, so that is the title of today. Very simple mindset for people if you still don't understand, right? Just understand one simple thing. You see, the trend right now into the world is different. The trend right now for people to invest, they are looking at the business innovation, business potential, right? Giving you an example. Hotel Hilton compared with Airbnb, right? Now, they are both also doing about the same thing. They are renting a room or a house, right, to people to stay overnight, right? But the difference is Hilton need to build their own hotel. They have a high net tangible asset because that asset, that property, the building they build only can generate income to them. So that is why that the net tangible asset for Hilton, Hotel Hilton is very high. Now compare with Airbnb. You see, Airbnb do not have any asset. The only asset they have is intangible, which is the software, the apps they build, right? All the tangible asset is actually at the owner side. What Airbnb doing is they become a middleman, right? So they get connected with the owner, put into the apps, and then they rent it out to the people want to rent it. At the same time, they get some of the so-called basic commission from that. Their business model is about the same, but you look at entire how they are going to do the business is different, right? Hilton need to build a huge building, spending a lot of money to build a asset, where now Airbnb do not need it, right? So, but you see, in terms of value of the company, do you know that Airbnb now the value into the world is even higher than Hilton, right? Because people is believe that Airbnb potential into the future will be much greater than Hilton Hotel, right? So that is how they are differentiates into the net tangible asset. Okay, so into the future, right? Many companies right now, they are trying to reduce down all their assets, right, to generate income, whereby they want to leveraging on other people assets to build more profit. That is the ultimately one the goal for many company and for many people to go into to do their business. Now, if you look at the trend right now, right, that is a few thing that we can potential to see into the future, right? The future business, people are looking at innovations. People are looking at the power, how they are going to leveraging on access to generate more income. That is the business concept that we are going to look forward into the next 10 to 20 years. Now, if you look at the next 10 years to 20 years, basically, if you understand about this logic, in the future, no people want to own some asset, including people like us. We don't want to own a car because it's so easy for us to just 10 years, 20 years down the road, we just walk down to the street and using apps to get a car to go somewhere that we like, and we do not need to own a car, right? Into the US right now, into other country right now, there is a lot of things that actually you do not need to own it. Everything is going to change in the next 10 to 10 years, right? So at the end of the day, what I want to deliver, not all the sector that you need to look at the net tangible asset into the stock investment. Company like bank, company like plantation, this is very important, because if they do not have a tangible asset, right, they cannot generate higher income to you, because all the profit coming from all these people is from their asset. Now, but company like technology, they do not need to have a lot of assets. They do not need to have a huge factory. They do not need to have a lot of land. But what they need is the talent, the software, okay, their trademark. That is very important. Don't just use one format or one formula to apply all your investment.